here we are. Back again. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Or if you're new, hi, welcome. I'm Courtney. And I'm Day. So today, we are becoming Bob Ross. Initially, we were gonna go to Hobby Lobby, buy canvases, buy paint, and do like a real Bob Ross painting tutorial. And then we realized we don't know what we're doing at all. And it's expensive. We decided oh, jinx. We soda. That we were gonna do Bob Ross painting tutorial using dollar store products. We got some dollar store canvases, paint brushes, this kind of paint, some acrylic paint. So got these like art palettes. I don't know. We're gonna try and recreate a Bob Ross paint tutorial using cheap things. Which it's gonna be hard because they had 5 colors at dollar store, so like we don't have a good selection at all. But this is where artistic skills come in that we don't have, and we're gonna mix and try and figure it out. Also, if anyone knows why dollar store stuff is disgusting, please let us know. I wonder what Bob Ross would be doing right now if he was alive. Painting.
Invitation for you to get your brushes and your paints and paint along with us each show.
You're so sweet.
And I've just covered the entire canvas with a very thin, even coat. Dark
sienna. Don't know what that is.
Liquid white. So the canvas is all...
We don't have any liquid white. That we need liquid white. That was like the most important thing. Should we just paint it white? Yeah. What is this supposed to... Uh-oh. The brush hairs. The brush hairs already fell apart. Oh yeah, let's see it in liquid white. This is not liquid white. This is not working. Hold on. Can you look up to see? Because I wonder if you put like a little bit of orange, maybe like a tad bit of black, maybe? How to make brown. Can you make brown? Isn't there like primary colors and like... I didn't pay attention to art. Red and green. Ah! Oh shit. I suck at painting. Like this is not my thing. I wish I could be an artist. Same. Like it'd be so cool. I feel like artists are like so cool. Be brown. See guys, we're artists now.
Well, today we just do a very simple little scene that I hope you'll enjoy.
Simple.
That is not correct.
Start with a little 2-inch brush and a touch of the alizarin crimson.
Okay, so like a red? A reddish purple. So I'm just gonna use red. Okay. Yeah. We're artists!
Making little X's, little crisscross strokes. We'll just very quickly drop in.
Okay, so... Ours are gonna be very small. Yeah. Crisscross. Wait, do we have to dip it in water or anything? I don't think so. You don't know how to make crisscross X's. I don't either. It's gonna be a hairy painting. I freaked up. Maybe if I just add some white. That's what I was thinking. I'm gonna... Just hit a very thin layer. ASMR? I kind of like soften it out. Where's Bob Ross when you need him? I know. Bob, if you're listening, please send help.
Drop in just a little warm part in the sky here.
That's the sky?
We'll have a little pink in the sky.
Doing a sunset. Right?
And in our world, we can do anything that we want to do.
Obviously not.
Doesn't take too long when you're using a brush. It's 2 inches wide.
No, you're right.
Tap a little color into it, and let's go back up here. And still using our little crisscross strokes.
I'm gonna mix some white with it. Wait, where's he doing it? Up there in the corner.
X's. That's all they are, little X's.
I can't do X's. Every time I do X's, I'm like, squiggles. I look like I'm a 2-year-old.
It'll just eat it up, so be careful, be careful.
I'm trying. I'm trying, Bob.
A little cloud, all you do is just sort of tap. A little stringy cloud.
He's so cute. I'm gonna take a different brush and blend. I'm just gonna take up here. Oh yeah. Okay. There's a lot of hair, but it's turning into something. Gives it character.
I think today we'll have still water, so pour from the outside in.
Outside in. This is very relaxing.
Something about like so. All right.
Okay, so he leaves kind of like the middle part open. Okay, this isn't that bad so far.
Well, I have a little brush going. I want to darken the corners a little bit. I'm going to take a little Prussian blue and just add in the corners here and there.
Okay, so take the dark.
And we'll go over to the other side and add a little more, and then down toward the bottom. We'll put a little down here too. I'm just putting a little Prussian blue in each corner to darken it. And since these are oil paints, we're washing our brushes with odorless paint thinner. Shake off the excess. They dry from just beating it. We'll start in the light area, which is the pink, and we'll blend it all together. Something about like so.
Well, this isn't going very well. Okay, it's blended up there. I don't know if we're supposed to blend down here. Look how good his looks.
I know.
Frick.
That's what we have so far compared to his.
We have. It's not bad. Like, I kind of am proud of myself.
That's all there is to it.
It doesn't have any paint on it. It doesn't have any paint. It's just water. Just water.
That easy. That easy. What's so fantastic about this is that anybody can put a little masterpiece on canvas. Just a little bit. Take a little white. A little bit of the blue.
I already have that.
And grab a little more of the titanium white. I want to make a light blue color here, mostly phthalo. Just take the corner of the brush and just pull down. Something about like so. Straight down, straight down. I want to make it look like little distant trees live far back in the distance. In your world, you create any illusion that you want. Even take another 2-inch brush, and I have several, and tap it. Really get in there and tap it, and then lift upward. It'll help create that illusion of mist right down at the bottom.
Bro, I fricked it up. Please subscribe.
Please help.
Please help. Any donation.
Literally any donation will help.
What the heck? This does not look good.
Finger on it and erase it.
Erase it. It's turned more into like a storm set. Yep. I'm not gonna add trees. I've already forgotten.
These aren't trees. These are clouds.
No, they're trees in the distance.
So really all we're doing, something about like that. There. And we don't know where that goes. It doesn't matter at this point.
Nothing matters at this point. Depression sets in.
I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know how to make trees with these brushes.
Those aren't trees!
In the distance they are. Frick it. Alright, I'm done.
Let's have some more fun.
I'm not having fun.
Let's take some black, some Prussian blue, and a little phthalo blue. It doesn't matter. We just throw it on there. Crimson too. What the heck? Be brave.
This is actually really, like, it looks therapeutic. Look.
Therapeutic? That looks really nice.
Or what is it called? Aesthetic?
It is fan brush. We'll use a fan brush. Load it full of color. Both sides. Both sides. Okay, let's go up in here. Now maybe in our world there lives, it does now, some little trees back in here. Now these are a little closer. You're seeing a little more detail. Exactly where they should live. Don't put too much detail in here. It's too far away. You're not going to see a lot of detail. You see detail when it's very close to you. When things are far away, you make out form, shape, basic color. That's all. Save the detail to the foreground.
Wait, that's not going to work.
The lack of detail helps also create that illusion of distance and depth in your painting.
Ew. Ew. It looks horrible. I'm going to cry.
Shut up.
You know, when I was a traditional painter, one of the hardest things to make effectively was reflections. Watch how easy. I'll take some of that same color. We'll take a 2-inch brush touch and pull down. Just pull straight down. It's most important that it goes straight down. Something like so.
I'm so sorry. This is a disappointing video. This looks decent. Look at mine.
So cute.
I look like I'm a first grader and I've never painted or drawn anything in my entire life.
Have you ever? I don't know what I'm doing at this point. I'm just doing stuff to hopefully make it look decent.
Yeah, well, I'm kind of giving up on that.
Bob Ross always says, don't give up.
Well, Bob Ross, I'm giving up. It doesn't look like trees or water or sky anymore.
There's obviously some skills we lack at.
This being one of them.
This being a huge one of them.
Take a little white and lift upward. And it'll make little areas back here that looks like a whole different plane, and the white will end up looking like little trunks in those trees.
Okay, Bob, we get it. You're a good painter. He's like rubbing it in our face. Mine just looks abstract.
I like it.
And from that, you can paint some fantastic little scenes. Don't worry about it. You don't always have to have a perfect vision in your mind.
Yeah, because I don't. This is not what I was planning.
Imagination is a little fan brush. Load some color into it. Both sides of the brush. Both sides. Let's go up in here. Let's have a little evergreen tree. He lives right there. See? Just make a line, take the corner of the brush, make a touch.
Good night. If I cry.
Please subscribe.
Please subscribe. Already picked it up. Oh,
this is tiring.
I would rather be doing homework right now.
Because we don't make mistakes here.
Oh, trust me. I think I've proved you wrong, sir.
Drop these little rascals in wherever you want. Wherever.
Hey,
you really are the creator of this piece of canvas. You can do anything.
No, I can't, Bob. I can't do anything.
Let's get crazy. You know me.
You know me.
All right. Then we can go up here and we can begin picking out individual bushes, one at a time, one at a time. There's a happy little bush. He lives right there.
Bro, look at this bush.
That's what she said.
Dude, look at that bush.
Yeah, look at my bush.
That's what she said.
Rocks that live up there.
Mine's
Just some
too dark
happy
for
little
you to
rocks.
see rocks.
My rock.
Look at mine.
You have a big rock.
A little path that we can walk back in here and catch that big old trout or bass, whatever it is that lives in here.
I'm gonna
There,
fill it up.
take a little bit.
Mine's too watery to have any shape or form.
Where's on the tip? Sneaky.
So weird.
This is as far as we can.
I think this is as far as we can go.
A little more finished. Take your time. Drop them in here and there and there. You try it? I'd love to see some photographs of what you do.
Oh, well, I wish Bob Ross, I could send this to Bob Ross. He'd be so disappointed. This is our final product. I'm so embarrassed. This looks like a first grader did it.
A first grader did do this. There's so much hair on
Let me
this.
see yours. Like, yours is so much better. Like, you can tell that it's like a sunset. Make sure you subscribe and give this video a like. Let us know down below what kind of videos you would like to see. We've done pretty much everything from cooking to beauty to vloggy style to art. So, let us know what you guys are into. We will see you next time. Bye, Bob Rossers.
I'm giving this to my mommy.
I think I'm just
She's
gonna
gonna throw this away.